Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to make passive income with Amazon affiliate program, but you are not sure how to get traffic to your links, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you the best strategy to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest step by step. So by the end of this video, you will know how to create pins that actually get clicks, follow Amazon's rules, and grow your affiliate earning the smart way. So grab your copy and let's get started. So first of all, let me give you a quick disclaimer that always check Amazon latest affiliate rules. They don't allow you to post direct affiliate links on Pinterest. But don't worry, I will show you how to work with the rules to promote your links the right way. So first of all, you just need to create a landing page or blog. So since you don't pin direct affiliate link, you need a place where your affiliate link live. So the best way to create a simple blog post, product roundup, or landing page. You can use free platform like WordPress, Wix, or even Medium, and also the Blogger one. So write helpful content like top 10 home office essential or best kitchens gadget on Amazon. So let me give you the physical one. So I will go direct to the Blogger one. I already have an account, so I will click on search for the blogger here. So you can see this is the blogger. I will visit in here, and I sometimes use it for my posting. So here you can see we have a couple of posts. So I'll click on new post, and once I click over here, then they will ask for the title. So I will give a title that will be top 10 home office essential things. So here you can see we already did. So here I'm going to provide an image if I had the image, or you can add your Amazon affiliate link naturally in the posts. Now you have a page you can pin to the taskbar. So I will copy my affiliate link. So let's assume that we don't have any affiliate account yet. So let's assume the product will the affiliate for us. So I will go over here, and then from that place I see this product. So I will copy whole link from that place. So I will copy the link, and let's assume this is our affiliate link. So I will come back to the blogger, and here I will paste the link. So let's try to paste it here. So I will click anything like shop now, or I will give the title name. So here you can see this is the product name. I will copy the product name and I will paste it here, and then I will link the link with this tag. So here I will provide the link. So let's copy the link again. This is our affiliate link, and then I will paste it here, and I will keep this one is open this link in a new tab always, and then just apply. And here you can see the link already been applied, and now I will just click to the publish. And the main thing is I don't do anything here, but when you will make this blog, you will try to make it as much engaging as possible. So our page creation already been done. Now we have page we can easily pin to Pinterest. Now we just need to do Pinterest keyword reaches. So I already have the Pinterest account, so I will come back to that place. So before designing pins, figure out what people are searching for. So go to the Pinterest and type keywords related to your product like home office ideas or must have kitchen gadgets. This way I will go over here and I will visit to the home feed. Once I come over here, in here I will search for this gadget. So I will see that here what actually this one. So other office equipment. So this is an office equipment. So I will copy this keyword, the office equipment, and then I will search it here, and let's hit enter, and actually you will see the office equipment in that place. So go to the Pinterest. Let me give you the refine, like go to the Pinterest and type keywords related to your products, and then see what comes up in your search suggestion. These are popular phrase people use. So write down 5 to 10 keywords you will use this for your pin titles and description. So here you can see these are the couple of things. Just visit one of them. Here, once you click over here, then you can see that keyword, and it directly officially provide from the Amazon. So we don't choose this one. we will go over here and we will see is it from yeah not we can copy this one. Then also we just need to copy this keyword from that place and it's enough for our keyword reaches. Once it's done, now we just need to go to the next step, that is design clickable pins. Now let's design pins that people want to click. So you just need to open a Canva and choose the Pinterest pin template. So let's open Canva in here, search for Canva and then choose and Canva Pinterest. Let's search here Pinterest Pinterest, and here you can see this is the Pinterest pin. Just click over here and you will get a couple of templates. As you can see, these are the pin you already getting to saw in your display. So I will copy any like of them, so I will give this one, then just click the customize the template and you just need to add clear text. For example, top 10 Amazon kitchen must have, then best home office points on Amazon. Just like you just need to be add your images and your text in here. Like we will leave it like this way right now. So I will just click to the download, just click download and click to the download. And always add your website or blog name at the bottom so people know it is legit. Now you just need to write a compelling pin description. So when you upload your pin, don't skip the description. So you just need to come back to that place and here you just need to be upload your pin. So go back to your Pinterest account, just click over here and Pinterest and go to your profile, and now you can able to create your pin here. So here you can see we already created a couple of pins, so I just want to create another one. So that for reason I'll click to this one and here you can see this option, so I'll click on the pin and now I will just drag and drop my pin over that place. Let's say this is my pin, so I'll download in here and then you just need to provide title and descriptions. So always write a compelling pin description. When you upload your pin, don't skip the description. Write 2 to 3 sentences explaining what your pin is about. Use your keywords naturally. For example, discover the best kitchen gadget on Amazon for busy cooks. These must-have tools will make cooking faster and easier. And add hashtags like Amazon finds, kitchen essentials, and good description help you to pin get found in search. Now you just need to add your link. So here you can see this is the link option. So from that place you just need to be copy, just click on view and copy the link and paste it here into that place. Once it's done, now you can see that link already been applied. So I'll give the title similar to this one and then I'll paste it here. You can add the descriptions, choose the board, you can choose the board, then you just need to add tag topic like it is a keyword, one kind of a publish, add the later. You can click more options, you can see more, you can add the alt text also. So in the description link section, paste the link to your blog post or hand landing page, not your direct Amazon affiliate link. When people click your pin, they will go to your page where they will find your affiliate link and hopefully buy the products. And be consistent, one pin won't do it. Pinterest love fresh content. Aim to create and upload new pins weekly. Make multiple pin designs for the same post. Change up your colors, image or headlines. This increases your chances to getting seen by more people. And that's it for today. Now you know the best way to promote your Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest in 2025 without breaking any rules. Thanks for watching the video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.